Are you a beekeeper looking to make this hobby as enjoyable and easy as possible? Do you love this hobby but sometimes just feel overwhelmed by what to do, how to do it, when to do it? Well, if so, this channel's for you. Welcome to Back Bee Broken Beekeeping, where I try to make beekeeping as easy and straightforward as possible for all beekeepers, especially those with a disability, limitation, or even just a bad back. Throughout this channel, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of beekeeping. I'll be showing you product reviews, how-tos, answering your questions, and sharing those tips and tricks that I've learned along the way to make beekeeping as easy as possible for all beekeepers, especially those with a disability. I'm Charles Cromer. I've been a beekeeper off and on for several years now. Unfortunately, life threw me a curveball, and I found myself dealing with a broken back from a car accident involving a distracted driver. Initially, I was very disheartened and depressed, thinking I wasn't going to be able to continue beekeeping. But you know what they say, if life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So that's just what I'm trying to do. I knew there had to be a way to continue beekeeping. I just had to figure out how. So I started researching on ways that a person can continue beekeeping with an injury like mine. Through countless hours of research, I came across all sorts of beekeeping tips, tricks, and hacks that would allow me to continue beekeeping. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's not always easy. It's still pretty tough on me. And there are times where I just feel overwhelmed and powerless to this injury that I've sustained. There are times that I definitely want to just give into that voice in my head that says, this is too hard, give it up, find another hobby. But I find beekeeping so therapeutic and relaxing that I just can't throw in the towel. I also remember that if I'm going through this, there are others out there that are going through this or even worse that could possibly benefit from the knowledge and skills that I've gained through my research to help them experience this absolutely beautiful world of working with these fascinating creatures. So I made that my mission, and I created this channel to share my knowledge with you. The good news is these tips and tricks and techniques, they all work for everyone, not just people with injury. So if you're interested in learning in how to make beekeeping easier and more rewarding, if you would do me a favor, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button below. So whether you're a seasoned beekeeper with an aching back, or perhaps just a curious soul thinking about starting their first hive, this channel's for you. So together, we'll create a community that supports and encourages one another on this adventure we call beekeeping. Welcome to the channel. Hope to see you around.